saying I look like Riley, that mean Fox fat ass Lil Milton. If I say somebody shot Raheem and I'm just dad, we the ones who killed them. I send a nigga hold back crippled. Nobody plays with us, it's simple. A couple of niggas got popped like soda, the rest of they ass got popped like pimples. I'm something strong like Hennessy, boy, you's a bitch, you a Shirley Temple. Why would I give you a blick that's like you taking a ball and you can't even dribble? I got hoes 3 times my age trying to take me down and I'm so little. When I take this bag from off my back, I ain't pulling out no pencil. If you was wondering, yes, I made the beat, baby Chief went west again. I'm trying to turn it up a notch, let me fuck you in your bestest friend. I think sleep is for the weak, been up about 7 days in. I'm back in the rack when to take your hoe to the lyrical lemonade stand. It's not many that can't fuck with me, and y'all know I ain't lying. She say they not fucking and they just friends. You know I ain't bad. If the hoe around and she ain't get fucked, that's cause I'm not trying to. On beat, bad bitches love me like these niggas love dick riding. I ain't got no age, I'm timeless. I spit bars like I say fuck rhyming. She said she never been with a boss. She got bougie, pussy, it count. This my roster, I'm kicking her off from Santa. Treating these hoes like elf. If I need advice from a real nigga, I just go talk to myself. Baby chef do it. That boy cook shit like crock pots. When you walk in the kitchen, you feel the heat. I'm telling you, it get hot. You gon' get shot. I'm the type to put a ring on the thought. She doing a cha-cha. I don't wanna dance, little baby, I need that mata. I look like Riley, that mean Fox fat ass Lil Milton. If I say somebody shot Raheem and I just died, we the ones who killed them. I send a nigga hold back crippled. Nobody plays with us, it's simple. A couple of niggas got popped like soda. The rest of they ass got popped like pimples. I done used 100 different flows. I'm tryna get fellatio from 100 different hoes. I've been going show to show. I'm low-key running out of clothes. I hit the rack, I went the Lux. I hit they racks and bought some more. Josh, I got him talking slow. He got books, started talking more. I don't wanna talk at all of niggas that's not talking though. I'm not a bitch, but if he big, I'm putting his ass down below. All you gotta do is